Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a watermark to your YouTube videos. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then go to View Your Channel. Once you're on here, click on Customize Channel. And you need to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you should see Video Watermark, and this will just let you know the watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player, and I'll just let you know some information for requirements of what kind of image you'll need on there. So all you have to do is click on Upload, and obviously you can create your own watermark or you can just download an image that you want to use. And just click on Open, and that'll bring the image up. And you can also adjust it to whatever you like on there as well, if you want to make it smaller or larger. And once you're happy with that, select Done, and it'll give you three options for display time. So you can have it on end of video, you can have it on as a custom start time, or you can have it on for the entire video. So once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on Publish on the top right hand side, and that will add a watermark to your YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.